Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be making some easy copper jade pendants. These are the materials I'll be using. Already have some sustainable copper there and Malaysian jade beads drilled. Also have an anvil and hammer, as there will be texturing these some, and we'll need some flattening. Flat Earth British there, reading his new book outside his caravan. Say hi.
Double flat thumbs.
Show your book.
It's fat.
His new book he's happy with.
Biggest red pill in literature.
Check it out. Anyway, let's back to us making some jewellery. Pendants. I've got a nice angle there. All the work. Wire bending tools here first. It's not fully on enough. There you go. Think about that much gap top. Ah, the sun's coming out a bit. So start with a simple loop like that. Continue around, making a nice spiral. It's quite simple. You can use the tip of the wire bending tool as a guide. So that'll need bending a bit. I'll centre. Like so. Pretty simple. This is where the anvil comes in. You can do this after or before. Now, simple part, making a split ring there. There's a bit much material there, so I'll lose some of it. Nice big eye hook now, eye hoop. And there we go, one very nice jade pendant. So I'll be making another 3 of them now. They'll all come out very slightly different. Make for very nice necklace pendants. They probably look really cool on earrings also. Very quick, simple and easy. Although you do require a hammer and possibly an anvil, although that's optional. You could probably just use a flat enough surface. Chunk of granite would do. Probably give you a strange pattern also. So same again. Lots of birds out here today. Happy and tweeting. The vibe are sitting out here for a bit of warmth and birdies. 2 left. This is all sustainable copper, I mined it myself from household cable. It's the stuff inside your walls, mains stuff, so almost unlimited supply. Bead's nearly come all the way off now. Last one. So they're all done. Quick look upon them. All uniquely shaped, very nice pattern on them, very shiny, hope you agree. Very nice contrast with the Green-Jade, very pretty. So that's how to make very simple copper pendants with beads. You can use other beads also. Well, till next time. Yep, say bye.
Up firms.